Jopuonj mar Kenya National Union of Teachers KNUT koro dwaro mondo sirkal omi pek golo omenda michiwo ne migawo mar somo e siro somb jopuonjre. KNUT okwayo piny owacho mondo mi ogol omenda mar higa 2024 chon kapok oyepi mondo jotend sikunde oyud thuolo mar chano chenro mag somo.
KNUT bende dwaro mondo mi omed omenda mikete sikunde ewi nyathi ka nyathi e sikunde mag primary, sikunde mag secondary, junior school, kowacho ni omenda go michiwo sani koro tin.
We also want to mention here that even as we stick to funding of these schools, that should be timely. What the ministry gives to these schools as allocation is not the whole of what they should give. And they should come out clearly to tell our principals in the comprehensive schools and senior schools where the rest of this money is, so that nobody should blame our head of institutions for not actually coming up adequately to work with the resources that have actually been given out. Junior school students, which of course form part of the comprehensive school, have been allocated 15,547. This figure should be adjusted to 22,000. Currently in the secondary school section, the allocation of 22,244 is equally a drop in the ocean.
Ramogi